Alright girlies, so starting off, I'm taking the Morphe 350M palette, and I'm taking this transition shade and I'm applying it to my crease, and then I'm going to be taking this burnt orange shade on a blending brush and applying that on my outer corner as well as into my crease. Also going to be taking that burnt orange shade and I'm going to be applying it to my inner corner of my eyelid because we're going to be making a spotlight eye. So I'm just going to be taking that and applying it and sort of blending it upward into the crease a little bit. Now taking these two shades, I'm going to be using another kind of denser crease brush, and I'm going to be applying that right on top of the burnt orange shade that we applied. I'm just going to be taking the lighter color that I just showed you first, and then I'm going to be applying the darker color right on top of that. Now I go back and forth between blending the colors out and then also applying more to get the desired darkness that I want. Alright, and now going in with this color, I'm going to be applying that on the inner corner and on the outer corner as well, but I'm going to be focusing that color more onto my eyelid and not so much into the crease. Now to cut our crease, I'm using the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm just going to be applying a little bit onto my eyelid and then looking up to determine where the cut crease is going to end. And then I'm just going to be shaping out what I want the center spotlight to look like. Now I'm going to be setting it with this matte cream shade. I'm just going to be applying that right on top of the concealer. Now taking the same blending brush from earlier without any additional product, I'm just going to be blending all of the colors together so they blend seamlessly. And it does change the center color a little bit, which is what I wanted, so that's why I did this. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking a little bit more of the cream shade just to brighten up the center a little bit more, and I'm going to be taking some more of the darkest shade that we used in our inner and outer corner just to deepen it up a little bit more. Alright, so now taking this Revlon Eye Art, I'm going to be applying it right on top of our eye where our cut crease is. And then I'm going to be using some gold glitter to go right on top of that. And now taking this color, I'm going to be taking on a pencil brush and running it along my lower lash line, and then in a second here you'll see me take another dark color and apply that right on top of that color. Okay, and now for our lips, I'm going to be lining them with this Jordana lip liner in Coco Loco, and for our lipstick, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick and Mama. Alright, and with that is pretty much our finished look. I will see you guys in a minute for my OOTD. Alright, so now for my outfit, everything is from Rue 21 except for the belt, which I got from Gabe's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this little OOTD. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.